Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today my friends from Teslaunch sent me this really cool kit. And what it is, there's a lot of different protectors out there for your front screen and your rear screen. I got the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, and there's different screen protectors and things on there. But they sent me something new that protects the front screen and also protects the back screen, but keeps people from being able to dump food and stuff like that down into the air conditioner vent. So anyways, I'll show you more about that. Let's go ahead and get started on it right now. Once again, like I said, from Teslaunch, I got the screen protector right here. It does say it's got tempered glass on it. It's screen protector. It fingerproof, fingerprint, clear without fingerprints on it, sweat and stain resistant, smooth touch screen, all that. But what I like about the design of this one here, and you do got different colors you could go with. I'm not sure, I think it's only like 2 or 3 colors, but I went with black. But it's got an actual protector that goes around the outside edge of your screen. It's happened to me in my last Model Y to where, and I believe it's happened to my daughter's Model 3 as well. We have the screen protector on there, but for some reason, I get a little nick down on the bottom in the corner. It could have been a phone, it could have been a drink, something metal, hit it and put a little break of glass, I guess you can say, a little ding, dent, scratch, whatever, but it's in the scratch. But anyways, hopefully this thing here, because it has that protective piece all the way around it, will help protect that. So let's take a look at it. Pretty nice packaging. Here we go right here. This is what it looks like. You can see I went with the black, and it's got this black plastic outer coverage right here. And yeah, let's take a look at this thing. Gave us some cleaning material right here. We got a cloth to be able to help clean the screen. And this is it right here. Let's take this paper. Well, the paper right now, I guess, is just sitting in there. But this is it. It's one solid piece. So it's got your screen protector, and it's also going to help protect the edges around your screen. So let's get started on installing this thing. Okay, so here you go. I got this one ready here. All I got to do now is I'm going to turn my screen off, so then that way I can clean it. I'm going to go there, display, screen clean mode. There you go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this inside piece off. And I'm just going to bring this over. Push it on right there. Take that off. Actually fits on there pretty nice. Let's see. There we go. Put it back the way I had it. Right there. And now the edge of my screen is now protected. And that's something, like I said, I used to always, I had my nick right here in the bottom of my glass. It had a ding right here, and I guarantee if I had this on there, that wouldn't have happened. And my daughter has one somewhere in the same spot. So this thing here fits on here really good. All my other attachments and everything for my phone still fits on here just fine. And here we go. There we go, that's still there. Gonna put my radar detector back on there, the mount up there. And now, there we go. This thing looks pretty good. All right, let's move on to the back one and get the back screen protector on and take a look at it. Okay, so this is the next thing I have. What it is, it's a screen protector for your back seat screen. Once again, I got the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition. I believe it might fit the Model 3 as well, although right now it just says the Model Y on here. So I'm not sure if it'll fit the Model 3. Just take a look at the description on their website to verify it. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. And I'll show you why I'm kind of excited about this. And okay, so we got a little bit of instruction there. We got more cleaning wipes here. Dust stickers if we need to be able to get any dust off, and another one of these chamois. And then here is the protector itself. And as you can see, it's got your screen built into it right here, right? But look at this. You see how it's got that protector right there? Right now, any kid or anybody gets back here, they can put stuff down in here. Things can get stuck down in there. And what if some kid puts a French fry down in there, thinking that's a trash can or whatever? I mean, it's real simple for anything to fall in there. Now, this thing here is going to help protect that to keep anything from coming, being able to go into it. You know, it's going to be a little bit harder to put something down in there. And it gives you this screen protector at the same time. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started on that. Also, it's going to help protect some of this up here, and it's just going to clip right on. That's all we're going to do. Okay, right now I'm going to put it into the clean mode, like that. Peel off the backing, right here. And all you got to do is just put this on. Goes right on, really nice. Bring my mat back there. And now it helps protect that right there. You still have all your airflow coming through. Hold the exit. And now, and if anything was to hit the edges now, okay, it's going to be protected because it's just going to hit this plastic right here, which, I mean, it really looks OEM. I really like the way this thing sits in here. I mean, this is pretty nice right here. I like it. And it's going to help protect all this right here from people putting trash down in here and things like that. So, and you still have access to your USB ports, and it just fits right over there, and it's snug. If I need to take it off, I can take it off. Not a big deal. Well, there you go. I got it installed. Okay, you got the front screen protector up there, which it gives that nice protection all the way around the outside edges. Is something that I really was wanting, because I've always damaged my last Tesla. You know, like I said, I damaged it, had a ding. It could have been a drink. You know, I could have hit it with something. But anyways, it put a right in the corner, and it always stuck out, and you could always see it. But now this thing is going to help protect it. It's got that nice plastic look all the way around it. Same thing for my rear screen back here. It's protected all the way around now. And I don't have to worry about anybody putting any food or anything down in that AC vent. That's probably something that I'm kind of surprised Tesla let go through, because really it could be used as a trash can. Somebody could put something in there and you wouldn't know about it until you started smelling it later on, especially if it was some kind of food. So I think that both of them look really good. And hey, if this is something you're interested in from Teslaunch, click down in the description down below my video. Go straight there. Make sure you use my discount code. Save yourself some money. And guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. And guys, most of all, be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving. Peace.